Welcome back to our channel. If you're over 60 and want to regain muscle strength, you're in the right place. As we age, maintaining muscle mass is crucial for staying active, independent and healthy. In today's video, we'll guide you through 7 simple daily exercises that can help you rebuild muscle strength, improve balance and boost overall vitality. So let's get moving. Before we dive into the exercises, it's essential to understand why muscle loss occurs as we age. This process, known as sarcopenia, can lead to a significant decline in muscle mass and strength. On average, people lose about 3 to 5% of their muscle mass per decade after the age of 30, and this rate can increase after 60 if muscles aren't regularly challenged. Factors like reduced physical activity, hormonal changes, poor nutrition, and even certain medications can accelerate this decline. However, the good news is that targeted exercise can slow or even reverse this process, allowing you to regain strength and maintain a high quality of life. Let's get into the exercises that can help you regain muscle strength. These moves are designed to target all major muscle groups, improve balance, enhance overall strength, and increase your overall energy levels. Body weight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Lower your hips as if sitting into a chair, keeping your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Why it's effective. This move strengthens your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes and core critical muscles for everyday activities like getting up from a chair, climbing stairs or even picking up your grandkids. It also helps improve bone density and joint stability, reducing the risk of falls. Chair-assisted push-ups. Stand in front of a sturdy chair or countertop. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the edge. Lower your chest towards the chair while keeping your body straight, engaging your core. Push back up to the starting position. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. This exercise targets the chest, triceps, shoulders and even your core. It's excellent for building upper body strength, which is essential for tasks like pushing doors open or carrying groceries. Number 3, standing calf raises. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, optionally using a chair or wall for balance. Rise onto your toes as high as possible, hold for a moment, then slowly lower your heels. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. This strengthens your calves, improves lower leg stability, and enhances balance. This simple movement can help reduce the risk of falls and improve your walking endurance. Number 4, wall sits. Lean against a wall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing the time as you build endurance. Aim for 2 to 3 sets. Wall sits are great for building endurance in your quadriceps, glutes and core. They also help improve your balance and leg strength, making daily movements like standing up from a seated position much easier. Number 5, seated leg lifts. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Lift one leg straight out in front of you, hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower it. Switch legs and repeat. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions per leg. This exercise targets the quadriceps and hip flexors, helping with mobility, balance and leg strength. It also engages your core, providing a full lower body workout. Number 6, bicep curls with light weights. Use light dumbbells or household items like water bottles. Keep your elbows close to your body and curl the weights up, focusing on slow, controlled movements. Lower slowly for maximum muscle engagement. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. This exercise strengthens the biceps, which are crucial for daily tasks like lifting objects, carrying groceries, and maintaining upper body strength. Finally, number 7, sit to stand exercise. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Lean forward slightly and push through your heels to stand up. Slowly lower yourself back down to the seated position. Aim for 3 sets of 8, 12 repetitions. Why it's effective? This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings and core, improving overall leg strength and balance, essential for daily movements like standing up, climbing stairs and maintaining independence. Consistency is key. Aim to do these exercises daily or at least 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Focus on form. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize muscle activation. Progress gradually. Start with fewer repetitions if needed and gradually increase as your strength improves. Listen to your body. Never push through sharp pain. If you experience discomfort, consult a healthcare professional. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild muscle and regain strength. With these 7 simple exercises, you can maintain your independence, boost your energy levels, and feel younger and stronger. Remember, while these exercises are generally safe, it's always a good idea to check with a healthcare provider before starting any new workout routine, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Staying active is one of the best ways to support your overall health and longevity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.